Do you have issues with fair trade goods? I have some top secret information for your eyes only. There's no need to call MI5, MI6 or even 007. So mind your P's and your Q's or even your M's and be more politically correct when buying conflict-free diamonds. Call me and I'll show you that I can beat the living daylights out of all of my competitors with my designs and manufacture of quality handmade jewellery. I'm not licensed to kill, so can't use this Walther PPK to neutralise the diamond smugglers. I just use my knowledge, experience and contacts within the diamond industry, which means I neither be shaken nor stirred. If you want to give from Russia with love, then remember that you only live once and that diamonds are forever. So have that special piece created by me, Mr. Goldfinger, because with the aid of my golden eyes, nobody does it better. And remember, the name's Fulton, Alan P. Fulton, with diamonds to thrill.